Hello! In this video we will be showing you how to replace the key cylinder in an Andersen handle set. The first step is to remove the trim plates and handles from the door. Begin by unscrewing the trim plates from the inside of the door. Loosen the set screws on the interior handle using a hex wrench. Pull both handles off and then remove the trim plates. Next, unscrew the keeper plate and thumb turn spindle on the interior side of the door. The keeper plate holds the cylinder in place in the door, and the spindle allows the thumb turn to engage the lock. You can now remove the key cylinder and housing from the door. Take the old key cylinder out of the housing and replace it with the new cylinder. Or, if you had the original cylinder rekeyed, reinsert the cylinder into the housing. Reinstall the cylinder and housing in the door. Use a key to make sure the cylinder is in the unlocked position when installed. Stick the spindle and a handle into the handle hole and engage the handle to try turning the key to throw the deadbolt. This is to test whether or not the key is in the correct position. If the deadbolt extends when you turn the key towards the locking edge, the cylinder is in the correct position. Next, reinstall the keeper plate and thumb turn spindle. Make sure not to install the screws too tightly, or it will put a bind on the spindle and the lock won't work correctly. Next, reinstall the trim plates. The exterior trim plate has a rubber or foam gasket. Install this separately to confirm it is securely in place. Reinstall the handles, sticking the handle with the spindle through the exterior side of the door. Before you secure them in place, test the handles, lock, and deadbolt to check that everything works. Tighten the set screw on the interior handle. Verify that both handles are secure and operating correctly. If you have any questions or requests for content, please leave a comment down below and visit us at allaboutdoors.com.